Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. We have super exciting episode for today. Join me guys as we are going to unbox what's inside this Kenzo paper bag, and also I will be doing a bag review. Hi guys, Ron Ramiro here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about fashion, shopping, luxury bags and accessories, travel and lifestyle. I am inviting you to join our growing family by subscribing to my YouTube channel. There's a small icon here. You could click on that one. Also, please do hit that notification bell and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirofy so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin. I am excited to be sharing this to you guys. I wanted to unbox what's inside this Kenzo bag. I got this one, so just a short story. I got this one during our last travel to Taipei. Although I haven't actually did an unboxing, that's why we are doing it right now. Also, I'm excited to see how much I got this bag and when I got this bag. So are you ready? So let's open in 3, 2, 1. Yay! So again, paper bag. So I love how chic the paper bag is. So let's put it here at the back. And here is the dust bag of Kenzo. Are you ready guys? Let us open now. Yay! 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So as you can see, as I am opening it, ta-da! So it's actually a small leather goods with, this is actually a belt bag. Yay! So before we do an in-depth review of these belt bags, I would want to check the receipts first and the care cards. That's our normal routine here. So hopefully you could check my other bag reviews. So here is where I got it from. I'm not sure if you can read. It says Tan Group, if I'm reading it correctly. There, so this came with, so this is like how they package the receipt, just like Louis Vuitton. It has an outside packaging. So this is the receipt. Oh wait. So it has this card here. There, then at the back. I'm not really sure what this card is because technically guys, whenever I am buying a luxury bags, I don't really look at these cards anymore. Then of course, I am keeping the receipts because there. So I purchased this one January 15, 2018. Yay! So January 15, so 2019, 20, 21. So this bag now is now 3 years in my collection. Yay! So happy 3rd year. So this is the tags that it came with. So it says here Kenzo. There, kenzo.com. And then at the back, ooh, so it says here it's made in calfskin. Love it. So it's made in calfskin, and then here's another card. There, Kenzo. And then at the back, the price that we got it. So it's in Chinese, guys. Sorry, I cannot read. But I got it for 15,800 Taiwan dollars. There. So that is the price that we got this one. So again, I'm so happy and thankful that I'm always keeping this stuff. So again, like what I mentioned, keep yours inside the boxes or dust bag just in case. So there. So now let us go on and move on to the bag. So let me just put it here. So this is the belt that it came with. So like what I mentioned, it is a belt bag. So this is a genuine leather bag. I love the texture. So here is the silver buckle. So it's silver hardware. So here on the side, it's so nice. You would see that can you see guys? So that there. So it's the logo of Kenzo is engraved. So definitely this kill the smoke there. So definitely, since this is a belt, it is definitely adjustable here. And if you feel that there are fewer holes here, you could go to your local belt shops and have them add more holes, so you can adjust it if you have a more tinier waist. Then it comes with 3 small leather goods. So let's discuss them one at a time. So first one is this. It's like a small zippy wallet. So again, made in genuine leather. So the logo is there, KENZO. I love the zipper pull. So it also has that genuine leather material. And it is padded, so it's very, very soft here. And then there is a snap button. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton compact wallets, right? Is that the Victorine wallet, if I'm not mistaken? So there. So as you can see here, so it's zippered. Actually, guys, to be honest, just a short story, I have used this bag only once in my life. Perhaps I could put a photo here. That's where I've used. Aside from that, I've never used it again. So later I'm going to discuss why. So here, probably after this, I would be able to use this bag more. So there. So this is like up where you could put maybe your bills, your card. It's nice, right? So inside, so outside it's color black, and then when you open it, so there is a flap, and then the lining is genuine leather in white leather as well. And then the zipper goes all the way through. So it's actually nice. It's not bad. There. So it zips all the way through there. So front, there, then the side. Alright, so this is SLG1. SLG2 would be in color white. This one, I so love the print and texture. By the way, guys, at the back here is the back. This is where you're going to insert the belt. There. And then SLG number 2. So this is the front, back, side. So there's no bottom. This is the bottom part, I guess. There. And then it has a silver zipper and hardware as well. The zipper pull is the same leather material and same print as well. So it looks like a snake skin print, but it is a faux snake skin print in genuine leather. So you can see, guys. Sorry, let me silence my phone. There. So you would see there is a texture, but it's not genuine leather. I mean, not genuine snake skin, but it is a genuine leather. So you would see here, there's an engraved KENZO logo. So let us open. So there. Okay. See, guys, I told you, I already forgot how the inside looks like. So when you open it, so there is like the accordion thingy here to hold them together, but unfortunately the size of this one, you couldn't put as much as you can. You cannot open the bottom part anymore here. No, the bottom part here. So it's like, I'm not really sure. Maybe let's try to put what fits inside these small leather goods. But this is the second SLG. There. Yay! So the third SLG, last but not the least, is in red patent leather. There, so it says KENZO, so it's a snap button. That is the front. This is the back. So again, it comes with the loop where you are going to insert your belt. The buckle, is it the buckle or the snap closure is in red as well. There. So when you open, so I feel like, to be honest, you could fit more on this red patent leather. So as you can see, there, can you see? So again, sideways, guys. And versus the white one. The white one, I'm not really sure if you could fit anything compared to the three. So there, this is the third SLG. So let's put them side by side. Actually, what I love about, I think the reason why I purchased this one aside from the price is because they look so cute together. Like for example, the shape of this one is a square, the shape of this one is circle, and the shape of this one is a triangle. So let me just put it in the belt so you can see how it looks like together. Alright, so here it is, guys. Ta-da! So I've already attached it to the belt. So I'm going to put photos here as well so you can see further. So here is the front. Wait, let me just remove the buckle first. Give me 1 second. There. So this is how it would look like when you have attached it to the belt. It looks nice, right, guys? So like for example, like what I was mentioning earlier, so you have the square, and then on the middle you have the triangle, and then here you have the circle. So it's like a cute pop art, you know, so very stylish kind of small leather goods or belt bag. There. So how do you like it? And then what's good about this one, guys, so since they are fully detachable, it's either you could use just one alone or maybe use 2 or 3 together. Also, definitely all of us have our belts, then definitely you could wear it separately as well. So like for example, I'm just going to use, since this is a white belt, then perhaps maybe I'm doing an all-white ensemble and I want to wear everything white, then I'm going to use a white belt, and then I'm going to use this white zippy coin pouch here. So I would be having an all monochromatic, all white look. Same thing with red. So maybe like for example, this what I'm wearing right now is an all black outfit. So maybe if I have a black belt or a red belt, then I'm going to use that one and attach this triangle pouch here. So this would be the pop of color in my outfit. Then the zippy coin pouch, maybe on a neutral color, like maybe an earth tone or white, then definitely I would use this one. So how do you like our belt bag? So actually there are a lot of ways wherein you could wear this one. So definitely number 1 is a belt bag. So hopefully I could do video and attach it here. So for belt bag, definitely it would look like the regular belt bag there, right? So again, like what I mentioned earlier, you could use it together or you could use singles or, you know, just the 2. So you could style it up depending on your mood. Alright, so another way you could carry this one aside from belt bag, shoulder bag, you could use this one like what I mentioned earlier individually. I did a styling with my Petite Sac Plat, and I have used these 3 as a bag charm. So definitely you could use it also with that configuration. Alright, so let me make a little bit of confession. Remember that I said that yes, this is already 3 years in my collection, but I've only used this once in my entire life. And the reason for that is because this is again 3 small leather goods, and among these 3, 2 you could use, and 1 is like you cannot fill anything with it. Like for example, this white one here, it's very small, but the other 2 I think I could fairly use it, especially right now looking at these bags, because this is actually just stashed inside their box and inside my cabinet. This one I would love to use this black zippy wallet, right? Because right now, currently, the only small leather good that I have is my YSL card holder. So definitely I could use this KENZO black zippy wallet because it reminds me of Louis Vuitton small leather good. The red one, I'm not really sure. Maybe as a bag charm, definitely I could use. Then the white one, it's questionable, but you could use it as a bag charm. There. Alright, so how did you like our vlog episode today, guys? So, in conclusion, guys, if for example, if you're going to ask me if I'm going to recommend these to you guys, I would say half and half, if I would be honest. Yes, if for example you are going to, or if you want to add small leather goods to your collection, then yes, purchase this one. But again, just a little warning, out of the 3 small leather goods, I feel you could use the black one and the red one most, and then the white one, it's a little bit questionable because of the size inside. No, for me, if for example, if I would turn back time and let's say I would be purchasing this in the future, no. And the reason for that is because with the 3 years that I had this bag in my collection, I have only used this once as a belt bag. But maybe after this bag review, it just got me thinking that I could use these more and ROI my quote-unquote investment on this bag by using the number 1 as a bag charm, like what White did with the styling of my Petite Sac Plat. And number 2, maybe you could also use the belt separately. Number 3, definitely I would be using this black one as a compact wallet. So again, it has a nice space to it. You could put in your credit cards and bills. Definitely I would use this one. So in conclusion, it would be up to you guys. So it would be half and half for me. Apologies if my recommendation is a little bit confusing for you guys, but this is how I feel about this bag, if I'm going to be honest with you. Alright, so before we end our vlog episode, let's do comment of the day. I would like to say thank you to Your Sweet Mom Vlogs. Okay, so Shirai, new subscriber here. Thank you for sharing this video with us. Very helpful. So thank you so much, Your Sweet Mom Vlogs. I'm actually very happy to have a new friend in you. I also am so very happy that you have also followed me on Instagram. Thank you so much, Your Sweet Mom Vlogs. Right, so again guys, I would like to invite you to join our growing family by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Again, there's a small icon here. Just press that so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Shamirafy so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again guys, thank you so much for staying with me in this vlog episode. I am wishing you all well. Please do stay safe and healthy at all times. I will see you on our next vlog episode. Bye!